Previously, on the last video, oh my gosh, Bridget, come here. Look at that.
So cool.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, Bridget, it's Cool Dog. Oh, Cool Dog, what are you doing? Oh, you want us to play more Bomb Survival? Okay. Okay, why do you want us to play more Bomb Survival? Whoa! What's this? I guess we're playing more Bomb Survival. Okay. I guess Cool Dog wants us to play more Bomb Survival. More Bomb Survival, everyone. Okay, guys, I guess we're doing Bomb Survival Part 2. Hot. Just like hot. Instant caramel. Yeah. Okay, whoa. Instant.
Hold on, I'm not here yet.
Guys, friend Lucky Scotter.
No friend me.
Yeah, guys, friend Lola Spatcher or Orca Lover 31, or if you want Party
Coco
Fever
Nadine.
34,
Or Coco Nadine.
or John Milo, or she's not on my page.
Those are our IRL friends.
Yes, IRL.
Okay, I'm in a game. Should have showed up.
Aren't you going to I don't, Bridget, why did Cool Dog say?
Hold up.
Yeah, why did Cool Dog say to do it?
I don't know. Maybe because he liked the first part 1 video and he wants more of it.
Probably. Okay, guys, after this, if you guys want to see some Death Run, because I'm thinking of doing that with Bridget tonight, if you guys want to see some of that, I'll be free to post a video of it.
Yeah,
What's
we'll
extra
always
modes?
do it.
Classic, super intense, big server, 25 max.
Don't do it. Guys, don't click something. Dude, you're tripping. It's you guys flew. Hang on. I want to say something to the viewers. Stay where you are.
I'm staying where I am.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay. Oh, Bridget wants to say something to the viewers. Oh, yes, like and subscribe, everyone. French chicken just died. My French Maddie's chicken just died. Maddie's chicken. Butthead.
Chicken butthead?
No, it said that he died from butthead.
What size of chicken? She's probably gonna say. When you know how Italian says like, okay, what did you do? What did you do over the weekend? Oh, my instinct. Like the very first dog.
Oh, yeah. We're going to make this video about 8 minutes, okay? And then we're going to do, because we got to get to filming Death Run. I mean, I don't even know why we're doing this. I guess Cool Pug just really wanted us to do it. Cool Dog, yeah. Sorry, Cool Dog.
Said a doo-doo-doo. Where are you?
Um,
Where I should put my throw right there. There. Okay, look out, there's a box.
Oh my.
Can you see me on? Well, I'm low on. Well, we can't do our secret thing. Oh no, it's getting foggy.
I know.
Ah! Hey!
What?
Spectate me, I'm still alive.
Did you? That guy just. Wait, what happened? I don't just.
You just goofed him.
Just oofed you.
I got your roof. Did you pick it up on me? Oh god! Ah! Really? Oh.
I'm gonna oof someone random.
No, I'm gonna oof someone. I'm gonna oof someone too. I just oofed Joa Quinn.
I think oofed Agamotto.
I just oofed Joa Quinn. Again? So evil. They're gonna
Guys,
find us and go.
I'll give you guys a shout out if you friend request me, like this video, subscribe. Here's how you will get a shout out. Like this video, subscribe, friend me on Roblox, and then you'll get a shout out. And then comment down below that you friended me and your username so I know that that's you. Okay.
I wonder where we're gonna go today. To die.
To die. Oh, it's Winterland. In the wonderful Winterland. Also, I hope you guys had a good Christmas.
Yeah. Or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa.
Yeah, happy holidays. Let's just say that.
Yeah, whatever
If you don't celebrate
whatever
Christmas
you celebrate.
or whatever you celebrate,
Or good
happy
winter if you don't
holidays.
celebrate anything.
If you don't celebrate, good month.
Good times in life.
Yeah, good times in life.
Good life.
I don't know what to say for that. I hope you guys got everything you wanted. Oh my gosh, there was a. I'm running in.
Dude!
3, 2,
You
1.
trying to kill me?
No! Stop dying. Okay, hold up. 3, 2, 1. Ow!
It doesn't work, dude. You should know that by now. Where are you? Come here. Meteors, just letting you know.
Meteors.
Just letting you know, meteors.
Ow!
Ow! What happened?
They didn't let me jump. Whoa.
Okay.
It's Bubba Dubba Dip
I don't know what happened to you, but spectate.
Okay. Hey, oof, dude.
I saw that.
Oof gives you bad
Ow.
luck. Oh my gosh. I am currently getting a call.
Who's calling you though?
Ow my gosh. What's happening? Sorry, I can't talk.
Who called you though?
Jackson,
Oh my god. She just wants to play Fortnite with you. I know.
Fortnite, Carmen.
He's gonna say, dude, we play Fortnite? No! This dude is
Are you
laying
dead?
on the ground by lava and his health is low and I just
Were you dead?
Yeah, I died.
Because I was spectating you, but you were like covered in llama. I mean llama. You weren't covered in llama.
Guess what? I was spectating this dude and he was at low health and he was laying by lava and I said, and I oofed him. shout out. Do everything he said, but also friend requested you.
Yeah, also friend request Lola Spatter.
No E.
Right there.
No, go to playlist and show them how to spell it. Write this down right now.
Yeah, write this down if you want. You have to friend request her too, and I'll ask her. Say you friend requested. Do everything I said. Say your username. Friend request me. Enter friend request me, and I'll see and type in the comment what's your name, and I'll see if you actually did friend request me, and I'll text Bridget to ask if they really friend requested her.
And then you get a shout out.
And then you get a shout out.
Yeah. It's that simple. It's not that simple. Look, there's a car. I want to drive it. Where are you? I'm stuck here. Oh.
Also,
Where
guys,
are you?
this could be a limited time. As I get more and more subscribers, more people will want to friend me on Roblox, and then you can only have the limit of 200. So this is a limited deal. If you friend me, I'll friend request you. This will only be till I reach 1,000 subscribers, which could be a little bit. So this is your time to shine for at least till I get 1,000 subscribers.
Oh, wow. Oh my god, there's a bomb right there.
Oh my gosh.
Ow, what happened? No, I'm stuck and I can't get up and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Oh, what if they want to shout out but they don't have Roblox?
Then they can just say, hey, I want to shout out, but I don't have Roblox. And shout out.
If you don't have Roblox, comment down below. I don't have Roblox. Like and subscribe. And then when I reach 75 subscribers, you'll be in the 75 special. You won't be in the next video shout out like everyone who has Roblox, but you will be in the shout outs of
I'm gonna die.
75 subscribers. 75 subscribers.
Look at my health.
Oh my gosh.
I have 5. I need 7. What's this hard to do?
Okay, let's finish this round, then we're gonna end the video for today
Okay.
and start doing this one. Oh my god, I fell. Screw it. Ah!
Yes,
Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. We'll see you guys.
Also, say hi to Cool Dog for us.
Yeah, say hi to Cool Dog for us, because he's gone. So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Do everything you did. I said if you want to shout out. And
Cats!
we hope you enjoyed this video.
That's my
If you
cat.
did, smash that like button. And we'll see you in another video.
It's still going, dude.
Goodbye. I said bye. Bye.